What's happening, everybody? Biker Dave here in the shop. Just wanted to give you a quick little piece of news. I know if you've been following my channel for several years, you've known that my little rolling chair here that I've had for, gosh, probably at least 25 years. I've had this old thing, and it's worn out, it's loud, it makes a lot of noise when I roll it around. So we now have a new little creeper seat. I highly recommend these. Any kind, actually. If you work on your own motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, anything really, and you're sick of, kneeling down if you're going to be working on a particular task for several minutes or hours or whatever, it's best if you just sit down. So look at this little guy. It's like an office chair basically that you can raise and lower. It's hydraulic, and nice quiet little wheels on it, little tray underneath so you can put tools and parts and stuff in it, and awesome. So this little guy is being retired finally after 25 years, and just rolling it around was really loud, where this guy, much quieter. I've put this thing to good use, and so it's time for it to go to head on to that garage shop in the sky. I'll put a link down below where you can get one of these cool seats. Not very expensive and very handy. So look for the link down below, as well as look for our links in the description of this video of all kinds of stuff we do, websites and Facebook page and other YouTube channel and things like that. We've got all kinds of cool things that you might need as well. We sell stuff on eBay and Amazon relating to motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, stuff like that. Especially if you like to work on your own vehicles. Check all that out. You'll see the links all in the description, as well as thumbnail links at the end of this video that can send you in over the other areas of stuff we are working on in our latest project. Here is a 1966 Plymouth Fury 3 that's getting all kinds of cool stuff. So we'll have more about that in the near future. But yeah, it's looking good. See the previous videos on the cool wheels and tires we just put on. So yeah, it's going to be really, really sweet. So you'll have a great day. Happy holidays to all you guys. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all later.